Hey everyone, today we have a video covering the new 2025 Ram 1500 RHO, which was just unveiled yesterday by Stellantis. 2024 was the last year of the Ram 1500 TRX that was powered by the Hellcat engine with over 700 horsepower. Ram is shifting gears for 2025, discontinuing the TRX as well as the Hemis in most of their light-duty trucks, so the performance truck replacement is the RHO. RHO seems to be code name for Rhino, but that's not confirmed yet. I'll go over the performance, off-roading and suspension, exterior, interior, and pricing, comparing back to the TRX when necessary. We'll begin by looking at the performance because that's what this truck is all about. I won't go crazy with the comparisons between the RHO and previous TRX in this video because I'd like to do a full comparison video soon. There will likely be a Hellcat type replacement in the future, but as for now, the replacements for the Hemis across the Stellantis lineup are the new 3-liter Hurricane Straight 6 turbo engines. The RHO will use the high-output version that's rated at 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic. Ram claims this engine delivers better fuel economy and fewer emissions with more horsepower and torque than the previous naturally aspirated V8s, as well as boosted 6-cylinder engines in this light-duty segment. But make no mistake, as of now, this truck is a significant step down from the TRX in terms of the performance numbers. The RHO is capable of 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds, 0 to 100 miles an hour in 11.7 seconds, and the quarter mile in 13.1 seconds at 105 miles an hour. The TRX, meanwhile, could do 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds, 0 to 100 miles an hour in 10.5 seconds, and the quarter mile in 12.3 seconds at 110 miles an hour, according to Car and Driver. So that's almost a full second quicker for both the 0 to 60 and quarter mile times. Both trucks had a factory limited top speed of 118 miles an hour due to the off-road tires used. The towing capacity is 8,380 pounds with a 1,520 pound payload for the RHO, which is actually a bit more than the TRX, which was rated for 8,100 pounds of towing and 1,310 pounds of payload. It's also worth noting that this powertrain is 150 pounds lighter than the Hellcat engine was in the TRX. The RHO features a high-flow air induction system with a hood duct that drains water and filters out debris from reaching the engine and helps the truck breathe only clean, cool air. The exhaust system will also differ from the rest of the 1500 lineup, as there's a sport-tuned low-restriction system and true dual pipes that are running front to back. Now let's move on to the exterior. The design of the RHO definitely separates itself from the other light-duty trucks, but it still looks very similar to the TRX. Composite flares extend over the wheel wells, and the truck is 8 inches wider with a 6-inch increase in track width over the other 1500s. 18-inch wheels are used with 35-inch off-road tires like the TRX. The front end maintains an aggressive look with a Ram badge, large front grille, hood scoop, skid plates, and steel bumpers. The Ram badges flow through to help get more airflow. Black LED headlights are used with bifunctional projector lights and LED markers on the bumper and hood scoop. Customers will have the choice between full-length rock rails or powder-coated aluminum running boards. The body and hood graphics will be optional. Moving to the back of the truck, again there's a large black Ram badge across the tailgate with LED taillights, oversized tow hooks, and 5-inch dual exhaust ports. Now let's look at off-roading and the suspension. Of course this truck is meant for off-roading, so it's built to handle that kind of environment. It comes equipped with a Borg-Warner 48-13 full-time active transfer case that features upgraded internals for improved strength and durability. The low range is 2.64 to 1 for rock crawling and can be flat-towed while in neutral. The independent front suspension includes forged aluminum upper and lower control arms. Bilstein Blackhawk E2 adaptive performance shocks are used. These are very expensive, somewhere around $1,500 per corner new, but they are the same ones that were used in the TRXs, so nothing new here. These are tuned for a balance between handling on and off-road, using the proprietary Ram Active Terrain Dynamic Suspension Management System, controlling ride comfort, body roll control, and handling. The shocks feature an internal 3-stage progress hydraulic jounce control, providing bottom-out control during extreme compression events. Dual electronic proportional valves will continuously adjust the damping forces for precise independent control of compression and rebound damping. A nitrogen-charged remote reservoir uses a hot-formed zero-leak tube closure to ensure maximum durability during extreme on- and off-road events. Stainless steel braided high-pressure hoses are used, and there are lightweight rock shields to defend the piston rods from incoming debris. The rear axle is a Dana 60 with full floating axle shafts and an electronic locking differential. The rear suspension also uses adaptive damping and a 5-link coil system. So all of this allows for some serious capability, like 14 inches of rear travel, which is 40% more than the rest of the Ram lineup. The height is increased by 2 inches, allowing for 11.8 inches of ground clearance and 32 inches of water fording. Moving inside, the trucks will be fully loaded with tons of modern features and conveniences. It all starts with the RHO center console badge, mimicking the one found on the TRXs, and there's also a passenger side instrument panel RHO badge. There will be different equipment groups like RHO Level 1 and Level 2 that add various features, but that's not released just yet. The standard seats are premium 12-way power leather front seats with a new massage feature and embroidered logos. Heated and ventilated premium Natura Plus leather with perforated suede accents cover the front bucket and rear bench seats. An example of the Level 1 equipment group here would add medium gray stone stitching and graphite metallic accents on the seats, with carbon fiber accents, red accent package, seat striping, accent stitching, and speaker grille accents, among other additions. The console-mounted shifter has semi-perforated leather, and the steering wheel has aluminum paddle shifters. The RHO will feature over 50 inches of combined digital display screens. The main touchscreen is huge, as they just keep getting bigger each year. This one's the largest in its class at 14.5 inches, using the Uconnect 5 system. Ram claims this system is 5 times faster than the last one, with fast touch response and split-screen capability. There's also a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster showing the driver over 24 menus, a full-color heads-up display spanning 10 inches with different content areas, and a 10.25-inch passenger screen that's only visible to them, with navigation, device management, and an HDMI port for entertainment. The RHO gives drivers 9 different drive modes: Auto, Tow, Mud/Sand, Rock, Snow, Sport, Baja, Custom, and Valet mode. Each drive mode has a unique screen on the digital display. Other features include a launch control button, Level 2 Plus automated driving capability, dual wireless phone charging, optional trailer reverse steer control, and the option of a 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system. So that's all we know right now about the new 2025 Ram RHO. This is a very similar truck when compared to the TRX in most of the aspects, but the downgrade of 162 less horsepower and 129 less pound-feet of torque is shocking. The RHO starts at $71,990 US, whereas the 2024 TRX started at $98,335, so the base price is $26,345 less. It's also around $8,000 cheaper than the Ford F-150 Raptor, and Canadian pricing is $115,790. The RHO still has the same wide-body shape and off-road ready suspension, but the loss of the 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 is sad to see, and the Hurricane with 2 less cylinders will not have the same acceleration, glorious sound, and brute force that the TRX did. So that's it for the 2025 Ram RHO. Let me know what you think of the truck down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe for all your Mopar content, and I'll see you in the next video.